Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to access members-only videos on YouTube. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go and find the creator where you wanted to join. For example, on your subscription list, okay, you'll have maybe this one. Just go and tap on their profile, and when you're on their channel, just basically tap on join right here. If they don't have the join button, well, that means they haven't set this one up. Okay, so tap on join. And then tap on join right here. For example, from one of these perks. So for side hustlers, for example, freelancers, solopreneurs, you can tap on more about the perks right here. It'll be listed. Okay. So just for example of that one, you have to tap on join. And of course, you'll have to pay. All right. So just basically click on buy now, follow the basic prompts. And once that's done, once you are now a member, you can find the exclusive video content using the three main methods. You'll be able to see the membership tab right here. Also the community tab. Okay. This one, members only videos. And when you go ahead and browse through their channel, you have the community section as well. And also newly released members only videos will automatically appear in your standard subscription feed. Okay. When you go ahead and go to subscriptions, it will be right here the first. All right. So that is how you access members only videos on YouTube. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.